Hey everyone, buckle up, because Peugeot is about to drop something seriously exciting in 2026. The all-new Landtrek SUV. And trust me, this isn't just another update. It's a total game changer. Now, if you've seen the older Landtrek, you know it had that rugged, utilitarian vibe. But this 2026 version? It's like Peugeot took everything we loved and gave it a bold, modern glow-up. The front end got that signature Peugeot fawn-like LED lighting. The stance is wider and more aggressive, and the whole silhouette just screams confidence, whether you're cruising downtown or heading deep into the backcountry. Under the hood, big news. Peugeot's finally bringing a hybrid powertrain to the Landtrek lineup. Yep, you'll get that smooth, efficient electric boost paired with a responsive gas engine. That means better fuel economy for your daily drive and extra torque when you're tackling steep trails or hauling gear. Speaking of off-roading, they've seriously upgraded the suspension, added skid plates, and even thrown in selectable drive modes, so mud, sand, or rocky paths. No problem. Step inside and wow, this feels like a whole different league. The cabin's been completely reimagined with higher quality materials, a sleek digital cockpit, and that new iCockpit layout Peugeot fans adore. Plus, there's more legroom, smarter storage, and tech like wireless CarPlay and a killer sound system. It's tough on the outside, but surprisingly refined once you're in the driver's seat. Now about price. While official numbers aren't out yet, early rumors suggest it'll slot in just above the current model. But honestly, with all these upgrades, it's shaping up to be a serious value, especially when you compare it to rivals like the Toyota Hilux or Ford Ranger. This thing's bringing premium features without the premium price tag. So yeah, Peugeot's not just keeping up with the times. They're setting the pace. The 2026 Landtrek SUV blends rugged capability with everyday comfort and that hybrid twist. Chef's kiss. If you're in the market for a do-it-all SUV that's got style, smarts, and serious off-road chops, keep your eyes peeled for this one. Drop a comment below. Would you take the Landtrek over the competition? And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss our first drive when it lands.